With the Hosiery Hunter app, once you've got your information, you can just input it and there you go. There's your answer, there's what you need, there's your codes to order the products that you need. Hi, I'm Lizzie Lodge-Knowles, lead general practice nurse at Churchview Surgery, and we're based in Cradley Heath. Came here 2 years ago, decided that I needed a bit of a change, so then stepped into a general practice nurse role. Bit daunting at first, bit of a jack of all trades, master of none, but I've settled now and finding my feet in our little but busy surgery. Compression for me, I touched on it in secondary care, but not at all specialised. Would have got in specialist care in secondary care, of course, but out here, it is you and you're in the thick of it, really. So I describe the Hosiery Hunter app as an excellent tool. It has made my job as a practice nurse so much easier when I'm in clinic. It's easy to use, it's step by step. Once you've got what you need, your information, it guides you through every step of the way to do it. And it's just so easy to use in our clinical time, which I think sometimes is very, very important for us as practice nurses, because we haven't got a lot of time. I find it really easy to use, clear to use, especially with patients. You can guide them through it as well. And once we've got all our information that we need, step by step, putting it in, gives us then, there and then, what we need to order, code for what we need to order. It makes the job for a clinical person very, very easy to use.